24 Sportage. Why do I know that? Because it says it right there. Now, this is the third take of taking these wipers off. I'm going to show you. I just spent 15 minutes to figure this out when it takes you 15 seconds. You ready? Watch this. Lift it up. All right? Put your finger up under. You're going to feel a tab. And I'm going to show you what tab you're feeling. You see what's coming out? All right? Watch this. That was locked into place. Be careful. Do not let this hit the glass. All right? Watch. This tab. Now I'm gonna turn this thing out so you can see. That little tab right there is what locks it into place. You see? This is actually on windshield side. Here you go. Now, new one. Slightly lift it up. Slightly go under. See how it's in track now? And just push, lock into place. Done. You don't even have to lift this thing up. I just literally thought I had to open the hood and fight with this and fight with that, and it's just super easy actually. So, same with this. Go up under, you'll feel that tab. I'm doing it with my middle finger. Feel that tab and just push. Pull it back. Here you go. And one-hander. All right. Put it back in, slide it forward, and done.